The phrase, keep hustling to the finish line, is an encouragement to persist and work hard toward achieving a goal or completing a task. It suggests maintaining a strong and determined effort despite challenges or obstacles. It's a reminder to stay focused and resilient in your pursuit of success.
Here's an example of the phrase, keep hustling to the finish line, in an everyday life context. Imagine a friend is working on a challenging project at work, and they are facing numerous obstacles. You might say to them, I know it's tough, but keep hustling to the finish line. Your hard work will pay off, and you'll achieve success in the end. This expression serves as both motivation and reassurance, encouraging perseverance and determination.
The quotation, live each day as if your life has just begun, encourages individuals to approach each day with a sense of freshness, enthusiasm, and appreciation. It suggests embracing each new day as an opportunity for growth, exploration, and positive experiences, regardless of past challenges or accomplishments.
This perspective encourages a forward-looking mindset, where one doesn't dwell too much on the past or get bogged down by previous mistakes or successes. Instead, it promotes the idea of making the most out of the present moment, finding joy in small things, and approaching life with a sense of renewal and optimism.
As a teacher, I am convinced that this philosophy could be incorporated into your teaching approach, encouraging your students to approach their studies and personal development with a similar mindset of continuous learning, resilience, and a positive outlook on each new day.